Welcome to Taming Python tutorial series. In this video, we are going to learn about managing variables in Python. Variables are a means of storing and accessing our program's data while it's executing. Variables can be of different types like numbers, strings, lists, or even pandas data frames. Alright, let's get started with coding. I'm going to create a blank folder like this, and I'm going to open this folder with VS Code. Okay, now I'm going to create a new file using this new file icon, and let me name this index.py. Alright, my new file is created. Now let me create a variable, say x, and give it a value, say 5. So the way of doing it is just write x equal to 5, and let me save it using Ctrl S. Okay, so now we have created a variable and we have stored a value 5 in this. Okay, so this is how we create variables in Python. It's pretty simple, right? Okay, so now what you can see that x is a number. So let me create another variable, say y equal to I. So now let me save it with Ctrl S. Now you have created a variable named y, and it is actually a string. A string means it's a word. So now let me create another variable named z and execute a list of numbers. So creating a list is using these two square brackets, and now I'm going to write numbers like 1, 2, 3, and now you have created a variable named z and you have given a list of numbers. You can even create a list of strings, say something like t equal to, I'm going to create a I. Great. So now this variable t is a list which contains 3 strings. So these are some important variable types in Python, and there are a lot more you are going to learn in the future. This is about creating variables. So now let's get to know how to delete variables. So now if I want to delete a variable named z which was created earlier, I'm going to write del space z and save it. So now what happens is, while the Python program is executing, it will create this variable z, and when it executes line 9, it will delete the variable z. So you can use this for cleaning up your variables. Generally people don't use this that much. Okay, so now the next topic is getting to know about the type of variables. So if you want to say print the type of variable, you can use the keyword type. Let me find the type of t. I am going to write type of t. Okay, just to see what's happening, I'm going to print it. Print type of t. Okay, I'm going to save my program by using Ctrl S, and now I will run my program using this play button. Alright, now you have seen the type of t is class of list. Okay, now let's try the type of variable, say x. So let me print the type of x. I'm writing x here. I will say Ctrl S, and then I'm going to run my program. Now you can see int. So this way, using this type function, you can get to know the type of that variable. Suppose you have two variables, say a equal to 10 and b equal to 50. You can add these two variables, say c equal to a plus b. The value of a plus b will be stored in c. This is how you can manipulate or do operations on variables. It's just like mathematical equations. So now let's see what will be the value of c by writing print of c. Okay, let me comment on this one by pressing Ctrl/. Okay, now I will save my program and I will run it using this play button. Now you have seen a plus b is 25. So that's how you can do operations on variables. There are a lot of other operations on variables like subtraction, multiplication, choice operators, and a lot of other operators. I will leave the link in description for my blog post where you can find links for notes on variable manipulations and operators. I have written a blog post on managing variables in Python. I will leave the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked it.